Have you ever wondered how your AC system works? For instance, did you know that your AC doesn't create cold air, but instead removes the heat from your air? How, might you ask? What's the difference? We'll go over some of that and more in today's Homeowner's Handbook. Welcome back. I'm Chad Peterman. We all use and rely on our air conditioning to stay comfortable during the summer. But how much do you know about yours? As Indy's HVAC experts, we're here to help you understand your home and how it works. When it comes to your AC system, the concept is a little more straightforward than you might expect. In fact, it works in three major parts: your compressor/condenser coil, which is the outdoor part of the unit, your evaporator coil, which sits inside near your furnace or sometimes inside the unit, and your blower motor, which is also inside your furnace. Your system uses a special chemical called refrigerant in your evaporator coil to, as the name suggests, evaporate. As the refrigerant evaporates, it absorbs heat out of the air, cooling it off. To keep this process going, the now evaporated coolant is sent outside to your condenser coil to be condensed back down into a liquid and sent back to the evaporator coil. While refrigerant cycles between your coils, the air in your home is being cycled as well. The final piece, your blower motor, pulls warmer air from your home through your return grates, pushes it past your evaporator coil, cooling it off, and out your supply grates, cooling the entire home. As I mentioned earlier, this process cools off by pulling heat out of the air, which is far better than just adding cold air. We've all felt how immediately heat returns if you're using a fan to cool off. However, when an air conditioner stops running, the comfort lasts much longer. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you found it helpful. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about your AC unit or how to better take care of it, give us a call or text us. We'd be happy to send a technician out to answer any questions you may have. Thanks for watching and stay cool out there.